Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Inventory. This powerful cloud-based system helps businesses of all sizes efficiently manage their stock, sales, and purchases. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your operations, from tracking inventory across multiple warehouses to processing customer orders with ease. We will cover everything you need to get started and optimize your inventory workflows. To begin, you will set up your organization within Zoho Inventory, configuring essential details like currency and tax preferences. Next, it is crucial to add all your products or services, specifying item names, stock keeping units, and pricing information. Finally, import your customer and vendor contacts to ensure smooth sales and purchase order creation. This foundational setup takes only a few minutes and is vital for accurate record keeping. Effectively managing your inventory involves tracking stock levels in real time, ensuring you always know what is available. You can easily create and manage sales orders, generate professional invoices, and print packing slips for customer shipments. For replenishing stock, Zoho Inventory allows you to generate purchase orders, send them to your vendors, and track incoming shipments, maintaining optimal inventory levels. Zoho Inventory provides access to over 50 detailed reports, offering valuable insights into your sales, purchases, and inventory performance. You can automate routine tasks such as setting reorder points for low stock or automatically adjusting inventory levels. Furthermore, integrate Zoho Inventory with other Zoho applications like CRM or Books and various third-party services to create a comprehensive and interconnected business ecosystem.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.